Do you feel there's more potential in your voice that you can still discover? Would you like to sing fully, fearlessly, and bring your own soul song into this world? Would you like to also experience sound journeys and gong bath and bathe in the beautiful sounds of musical instruments from around the world, where you can be taken care of and deeply relax? And maybe you have already experienced a gong bath in which your body deeply relaxed, and yet you are completely conscious.
Did you know that during this experience we enter into a specific state that is very similar to the one that we connect to have an astral travel? If you have ever been curious about the world of the dreams, if you would like to start exploring the lucid dreaming and to comprehend better these, which are the reflection of your words, your own unconscious, we invite you to this workshop.
We gave it the name SHAKANA. It will take place in a very unique space that used to be a church in the middle of the forest. And together we will learn and explore.
And on Saturday, we have a very special ceremony where we are going to put in practice everything that we will be learning together, looking to have extraordinary experiences.
So, two of us, Jessie from Ecuador
and Martina from Czech Republic,
we are really looking forward to see you there and explore and enjoy all this together.
Looking forward to see you there.
See you soon. If you want to experience this in live with us, you better come to our workshop.